All right, just let me check that the microphone, yep, it's on. So, consider this polynomial. Show that it can be expressed like this. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that x to the 4 take 5x squared plus 4x plus 13 is x squared take a squared plus x take b squared. I'm going to expand this right-hand side until it looks like the left-hand side. So this is the same as x squared squared take 2 times x squared times a plus a squared plus x squared take 2 times x times b plus b squared. You know how to expand those. X to the 4 take 2ax squared plus a squared plus x squared take 2xb plus b squared. Now let's get, well, I've got x to the 4 and I want to get my x squareds together. So I have x squared negative 2a plus 1. Then I want to get my x's together, take 2xb, and then I want to have my numbers a squared, b squared. Okay, which means if I've got this one equals this, that means, well, I've got x to the 4 on both sides, but I also have negative 5x squared equals x squared negative 2a plus 1. Like what I can say is that my x squared terms must be equal, like we did in the last exercise. Which means that negative 5 equals negative 2a plus 1. So negative 6 equals negative 2a, a equals 3. Good start. Now all I need is b. My next thing I'm going to say is that this one equals this one. So I can say 4x equals negative 2xb. Get rid of the x's. 4 equals negative 2b, so b equals negative 2. Which means I can express x to the 4 take 5x squared plus 4x plus 13 equals x squared take a, which is 3 squared, plus x take b, which is negative 2 squared. There, I've done 10a. Um, 10b. How many intercepts would this graph have? That's a really interesting question because it has intercepts when it equals 0. Like we're literally looking for zeros. We've got x squared take 3 squared plus x plus 2 squared equals 0. Now this is a squared plus b squared. Can't factorise it. I know that x squared take 3 squared is always greater than 0, yeah? It's always positive because you're squaring it. And I also know that x plus 2 all squared is always positive. Because again, we're squaring it. I know that a positive plus a positive can never equal 0. So it has no zeros, which is no x intercepts. That's question 10, and that's the last one for this exercise. Well done on making it through.